friends. This morning I'm going to read you one of my favorite spring books. It's called Raindrop, Plop. Let's take a look at some of the pictures on the front of the book. So show me what she has in her hand. Yeah, she's got an umbrella. What does she have on her feet? Boots. She's got boots on her feet. How many boots? 1, 2. 2 boots on her feet. And a raincoat to keep herself dry. Let's look at the book. Raindrop, Plop. One little raindrop, dark, dark sky. 2 little raindrops, clouds go by. 3 little raindrops, splat, splat, splat. 4 little raindrops, boots and hat. Wow, I see lots of great pictures on these 2 pages. Can you show me where the house is? Yeah, house. What about the door? There it is, the door. Show me the window. Window. How about the roof? Show me the roof. Roof of the house. Cool. Here's a tough one. Show me the chimney. Yeah, chimney. Right there. A rainy day. 5 little raindrops, shiny red coat. Show me an animal. Yeah, there's 2 animals. There's a dog and a bird. And because it's raining, they are getting all wet. Yeah. 6 little raindrops, bright blue boat. Show me the boat. Very good, the boat. Where is the boat? Yeah, it's in the water, in her pool. 7 little raindrops, plop in a cup. 8 little raindrops, umbrella up. 9 little raindrops, puddle fun. 10 little raindrops, still no sun. Too many raindrops, run, run, run. It's raining really hard. Back in the house now, that is that. Off with the raincoat and off with the hat. Now she's back home where it's nice and dry. 10 little toes in a nice warm tub. 9 soapy bubbles. Scrub-a-dub. A nice warm bath. That sounds good. What room is she in? Is she in the kitchen? No, not in the kitchen. Is she in her bedroom? No, she's not in her bedroom. Is she in the bathroom? Yes, she is in the bathroom. She is in the tub in the bathroom. What are these? Yeah, those are her bath toys. All right. 8 fluffy towels, soft and white. 7 brass buttons, shiny and bright. Looks like she's getting her pajamas on. 6 tiny marshmallows float in a cup. Ooh, hot chocolate, yummy. 5 small pretzels, gobble them up. Let's count those pretzels. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pretzels. Show me 5. Cool, give me 5. Nice job. 4 furry squirrels want something to eat. 3 hungry birds. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Wow, lots of cool animals on this page. Show me an animal that's in the tree. Yeah, there's one that's in the tree. Show me an animal that's on the ground. There we go. That's an animal on the ground. There's an animal on the ground. Cool. 2 bright eyes. What do they see? Out of the window, out by the tree. Raindrops stopping, one by one. No more raindrops. Sun, sun, sun. The rain is all finished and out comes the sun. In the spring, we get a lot of rain, but when the rain stops and the sun comes out, we can go back outside and do our favorite things like playing in our yards or going to the park. What is something you like to do when it is sunny outside? If you can tell me in the comments, that would be awesome.